Hello everyone, my name is Melissa and today we are going to go over the functional analysis guideline. First, we need to go over is what is a functional analysis. A functional analysis is an established assessment that is used in the field of applied behavior analysis and is used to make treatments of the behavior. Usually, board certified behavior analysis, which is also known as BCBAs, use this to find treatment for certain behaviors. And usually there's no time specifically when you do this assessment. So like when the learner can be in like for example, a clinic can be in a clinic for like a couple months, and then the BCBA can be like, okay, we need to do an FA, or it can be done at the beginning of their assessment. What are we going to focus more on today is the 5 functional analysis conditions, and this will be control, attention, escape, tangible, alone. So this is usually the function behind behaviors, and usually the FA usually distinguish what behavior is it and what can we do to redirect that behavior. Okay, so the first function we're going to go over is play, also known as control. And the purpose of this will be like the main purpose is to see if the condition is reinforced by the social environment. So this is anything that's around the learner, anything that the learner is liking that is around the environment. Usually some of the antecedents would be is based off social interactions and no reinforcers or no demands in place. So for example, it's usually when the learner is playing around, getting all the items they want to, the technician or the teacher that's around them puts no demands around them. And the consequence for this function would be redirecting by providing options. Like for example, you'll get like 2 toys and be like, okay, which one do you want? Do you want like the wheel or do you want the truck? So this will increase more structure for the child or for the learner. The next condition would be alone, and the purpose will be automatically positive reinforcement. So this is anytime the child or the learner gains something from the behavior. Some antecedents would be like the learner is not getting attention or nobody has been giving attention around them. And easiest way to redirect this would be using the finding other toys or objects that the learner can use more appropriately. The next one would be attention. So the main purpose of attention will be that the learner gets reinforced by social reinforcement. The antecedents would be the learner's not getting attention, and then this would lead to like them crying, throwing a tantrum, or running off. And the best way, the consequence would be redirections to using words or asking for attention to play. So this can mean any verbal communication, but or any other form like using their hands to command, ACC device, PECs. The next function we're going to talk about escape. This is usually maintained by a learner not wanting to do something, trying to avoid doing something. Some antecedents would be the learner will move to the other side of the room or will automatically just leave the room without giving notice or anything. Some of the consequences would be redirection to the first and then statement, and also increasing to motivation to do the task. The last one we're going to talk about today would be tangible. This is usually when a child is trying to gain a child or learner trying to get access to something. Um, Usually, some of the antecedents would be the learner wants the TV on, they'll start crying until the TV gets turned on. The learner wants a toy that another friend has, and they'll grab it without asking. Some of the consequences will be redirections to verbal communication. Doesn't matter using PECs or ACT device as well.